5 steps to build digital marketing skills in just 90 days, even if you're over 40. So here's what nobody talks about. Most people think digital marketing is just for young tech wizards. But that's completely wrong. I've been working with professionals over 40 for years now. And here's what I discovered. The people who succeed fastest aren't the 25-year-olds. They're the experienced professionals who already understand business and people. But here's the problem. Every course out there is designed like you're a college kid with unlimited time and zero real-world experience. That's why you feel overwhelmed and lost. So I created a system specifically for professionals like you. Here's how it works. Step 1. Start with strategy, not tools. Most courses throw you into Facebook ads on day 1. That's backwards. You need to understand your customer first. This takes 1 week. Step 2. Master one platform completely before moving to the next. Pick LinkedIn, Facebook, or email marketing. Get really good at one thing. This is weeks 2 through 4. Step 3. Create content that sells without being salesy. Your life experience is actually your biggest advantage here. You understand pain points that younger marketers miss completely. Weeks 5 through 8. Step 4. Build simple systems that work while you sleep. This isn't about complex automation. It's about smart workflows that save you time. Weeks 9 through 10. Step 5. Scale what's working and ignore everything else. By week 12, you'll know exactly what brings results for your specific situation. But here's what makes this different. You're not learning from some 23-year-old who's never run a real business. You're learning from someone who understands what it's like to start over at 40. The best part? You already have the hardest skills. You understand business. You know how to talk to people. You just need the digital piece. And once you get it, you'll wonder why you waited so long. Because digital marketing isn't about being young. It's about being smart. The question is, will you still be making excuses about your age in 90 days? Or will you be the person everyone comes to for digital marketing advice? If you're ready to get started. There's a link in the description that shows you exactly how this system works. Take a look. It might just change everything for you.